The benefits of good hard work.
Okay, let's take a look what the Dow is up to. Let's bring up a three-way board because we have a nice rally going on here. You know, it was actually the worst day in about a month for the S&P yesterday, but it's up by 0.7% now. The Dow Industrials is at 17,892. I believe the intraday high is 17,894, so it's 2 points away, now 1 point away from that intraday record high. Methinks we might even break it by the end of today. Okay, well, you can still win on Shark Tank, even if you don't convince the sharks to fund your idea. We're going outside the tank to talk about one entrepreneur's big dream to combine coleslaw and salsa and make a good business as a combo. Julie Busha is the founder of Slawsa. Brian's already tucking into it. I believe, Julie, you've been featured on the hit show Shark Tank, but you did not get an offer. But you went in thinking you were going to get not just one, but multiple offers. So what went wrong?
Well, I don't know if it was the time of the day that I pitched. I was the last one to pitch on a Sunday night. I fully expected, with my numbers, with retailer confidence, with our growth, with the buyer support that we had even before going into Shark Tank, I thought it was a no-brainer. I felt my valuation was spot on. And Mandy and Brian, I hope you're having a slawsome day.
Slawsome? That was slawful, by the way, Julie. I just got to point that out. You know what it is? We know Robert Herjavec, one of the Sharks. He likes road racing. We know you got a NASCAR background. I think he had oval prejudice. That's my take.
Well, no, I don't know. My background actually is in marketing and NASCAR. I spent over 10 years in it.
I didn't just randomly mention that.
No. I helped NASCAR driver Bobby Labonte start his agency, and I think probably the biggest surprise I had with the Sharks is General Mills was a client of mine for 9.5 years, so I had inherent knowledge of the food industry that perhaps a lot of the food entrepreneurs don't come in with.
Okay, it didn't work out there, but let's talk about your business now. The one thing I'll say, it's pretty good, by the way. I'm having the Slawsa spicy. We haven't tried the other three. Can't speak for them all. How do you get better distribution? Looking around our area here, you're in a lot of sort of smaller independent stores. How do you get the Wegmans of the world on board?
Well, we're in 1,400 Krogers. We're in a couple hundred Walmarts. We're in a lot of major chains. In fact, up in the Northeast, we'll be in about 825 more stores come April. The thing with the grocery industry is that we are a slower moving industry. They reset categories once a year. So I've already pitched during the summer for a lot of these spring resets, and we know we're going to be in about 8,000 stores by April.
I hope you also make the big, the big stadium concession stand as well. Be delicious on a hot dog. Yeah, but Julie, we have to go.
Good sluck.
Thank you. That was lawful as well. And to hear more of Julie's story about Slawsa, you can tune into Shark Tank tonight, 8 Eastern and Pacific, right here on CNBC.
Thank you for watching Street Signs, everybody.
You really meant it. The Dow sitting right at a record high right now. Closing Bell is going to pick up our continuing market coverage right now. See you tomorrow.
Welcome to the Closing Bell, everybody. I'm Bill Griffith here at the New York Stock Exchange.
And I'm Sarah Eisen.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you for having me, Bill. Kelly Evans is off today, and stocks are up. We're near the highs of the session. Oil is down, and that just seems to be the way investors are liking the trade today.
Yeah, a classic turnaround Tuesday. If it was down yesterday, it's up today and vice versa.
Rebound, though.